Rotich arerikana gwikinya giikaro-ini giki kia DCI thaa 11 cia rucini thutha wa ruhonge ruru kumwita akorwo agicokia ciuria iria ithiururukiire mbeca cia waki wa demu cia Kimarel na Arror. Mihango ino igithie na mbere muthenya mugima gukirikana Rotich auma acokie ciuria cia kinya o 300 iria ruhonge ruru rwa DCI ruretha anja. Kuringana na uria acoketie ciuria ici, Rotich ahota kweyeheria kana yongerere hari ithabu ria aria mabatie kuhingurirwo thitango iguru ria ungumania wa kigena gia ciringi bilioni 21. Rotich akihungwo mahuri DCI, Minister wa Mai Simon Cherugui auma mbere ya kamiti ya bunge egie maria maturigiceirie agicokia ciuria iguru ria demu iria ciothe thirikari iraka kundu gutiganite bururi-ini. Gikaro-ini giki Cherugui ahinyiriria ati demu cia Kimarel na Arror itire rungu rwa ministry ya Mai.
Number of dams are also being implemented by the Ministry of Agriculture and Irrigation for irrigation works, including Thiba Dam in Kirinyaga. A number of them are also being implemented by Ministry of East Africa and Regional Development. That includes the Grand Falls and I think Mwarer and Arror.
Ciĩgie demu ya Itare iria iri kaunti-ini ya Nakuru augite ati ni mahete kambuni kuma bururi wa Itare iria iraka demu ino ciumia 2 ikorwo itareirie uria ikurikia mwaka uyu thutha wa kambuni ino kwirikana ni iharite.
The abandoned sites, you should be able to get communication, you should be able to get management letters, you should be able to get even notice to terminate from the consul. These are the tools that we use in contract management, in ensuring that the contractor delivers their contracted works.
Ihinda-ini o riri na wabunge kuma kaunti ya Elgeyo Marakwet marenda thirikari irekereria bilioni 6 iria ifatie kuhuthika kuriha aria mafatie guthamio wakini wa demu cia Kimarel na Arror, makiuga ona wakorwo kuri na uthuthuria urathie na mbere mihango ya kumariha ndifatie kurugama.
The National Lands Commission should start compensation to the landowners. The budget for 2018-2019, government has already released 650 million, but the total compensation for the two projects is close to 6 billion. So basically, that is one of the reasons why the contractor has not moved to site, because people are still there because they have not been compensated.
Demu ici ciafatie kwambiriria gwakwo mwaka-ini wa 2017 no na thengia wa thirikari gukorwo erekereirie muigana wa ciringi bilioni 21 nginyagia riu waki wacio nduri urambiriria. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV, Ritwa riakwa ni Wangui wa Mwangi.